Welcome to Sai Master Academy. We are going to discuss partial fractions from maths to way short answer weightage question. So, in this partial fractions, I want to give you 6 questions, which these 6 questions will cover all the types, all the models in partial fractions. There are two types of partial fractions. One is proper, one is improper. So, we have in these 6 questions proper type and improper type also. One more extra, the coefficient of x power n of a fraction. After writing into partial fractions, we have to find the coefficient. I will explain you about that also. See here, just I am not saying that one of the six questions you will get in exam. Maybe you can get, but if you learn properly, the question which you will get in the exam, one of these 6 methods only. You will not get any question from outside, different method. Okay. See, first proper fraction. Proper fraction, improper fraction. I think you have to know the difference between proper and improper. Which the fraction having numerator degrees low and denominator degrees high. Degree of polynomial in numerator is less than degree of denominator polynomial. Here x power 1, here x power 2, 1, 3. So this is clearly proper fraction. Here x power 2, x power 1 into 2, again 3. So this is also proper fraction. This is 3 and this is 4. This is also proper fraction. And here this is 3, this is 1, 2, 3. This is not proper fraction. Proper fraction కావాలంటే న్యూమరేటర్ పాలినామియల్ డిగ్రీ డినామినేటర్ పాలినామియల్ కంటే తక్కువ ఉండాలి. డినామినేటర్ డిగ్రీ ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి, న్యూమరేటర్ డిగ్రీ తక్కువ ఉండాలి. బట్ ఇక్కడ మనకి ఈక్వల్గా ఉన్న ఇంప్రాపరే. న్యూమరేటర్ డిగ్రీ హై, డినామినేటర్ డిగ్రీ లో, ఇది కూడా ఇంప్రాపర్. సో దీస్ టూ ఆర్ ఇంప్రాపర్ and these all are proper. This is also proper, x power 1, x power 2. So clearly denominator degree ఎక్కువ ఉంది. So this is also proper. So I will give proper fraction and improper fraction, partial fractions. How we can do the first one? I will give including solution the methods also. What is the first one? X plus 4 by x square minus 4 into x plus 1. So this is clearly a proper fraction. How we can convert into partial fractions? So here if you observe, first you have to check the denominator should be in linear factors. Denominator should be in linear factors. This is x plus 1 which is linear factor. Okay, just a minute. Okay na? So this is linear factor, but if you observe, this is not linear factor, this is quadratic factor, x square. We need all in linear factors, then we can solve easily. With the quadratic factors also we can solve, but linear factors is better. So here first you check that the quadratic factor can be written as linear or not. రాసుకోవచ్చా లేదా? రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు అంటే this can be written as x plus 4 by x square minus 4 can be written as x plus 2 into x minus 2 into x plus 1. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Now you have all denominators linear factors na. ఇప్పుడు basic method, a by first factor x plus 2, b by second factor x minus 2, c by third factor x plus 1. Now apply LCM. X plus 4 is equal to a into, I am not writing denominator. Why? Because if you apply LCM, the denominator will be same this one. Then both will get cancelled. No need to write. Okay, for this question I am writing x plus 2 into x minus 2 into x plus 1 and a into x plus 2. First write LCM. X plus 2 into x minus 2 into x plus 1, right? So this is denominator, then we can write these two are the product. That is x minus 2 into x plus 1 plus b into these two you will get x plus 2 into x plus 1 plus c into these two you will get x plus 2 into x minus 2. I said the denominators will get cancelled. Now remaining I am writing in next question onwards, and in exam also you can write directly this what I am writing step after this, that is what x plus 4 is equal to a into x minus 2 into x plus 1 plus b into x plus 2 into x plus 1 plus c into x plus 2 into x minus 2. Now your target, you need to find what is a, what is b, what is c, and after finding a, b, c, substitute here. Those are the partial fractions. So how we can find? We have two methods. First method is substitution method, very easy method. Substitution method very easy, but annitiki substitution method possible కాదు. Second method comparison I will explain in other question. Okay, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ substitution method is easy. So what is substitution method? What is used? By using substitution method, you can find any one of A, B, C by vanishing remaining 2 by writing x value something. So you have to check x value by writing what a, b or b, c or a, c will be 0. Means you need to find first the common factor. Here x minus 2, here also x minus 2. So if you write x equal to 2, these two will get 0. Directly you will get the value of b. And again here x plus 1, here x plus 1. If you write x equal to 1, minus 1, these two will be zeros. You will get directly c value. And one more x plus 2, here x plus 2. So if you write x equal to minus 2, these two will be zeros, you will get directly a value. After getting ABC, write in this, you will get the final solution. Okay. So now first I am writing x equal to 2, then it will become what? In LHS and RHS you have to substitute x values. 2 plus 4, 6 is equal to a into 2 minus 2, 0 into something 0, plus b into 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 1, 3, plus c into, this is what? Minus 2, 2. So 2 minus 2, 0, that is c into also 0, 0 into something 0. So see, a0, c0, both will be vanished. 6 is equal to 4 3 are 12b, then you can write 6 1 is 6 2, then you will get b value is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, you can find a and c also now by writing x equal to something. X is equal to what now? Minus 1. Then minus 1 plus 4 will be 3. Since you are writing minus 1, a will be 0. And here also minus 1, b will be 0. And here you are writing minus 1, that is c into minus 1 plus 2, 1. Minus 1 minus 2, minus 3. So you will get minus 3c equal to 3. 3 equal to minus 3c. 3 3 cancel. C is equal to minus 1. Now lastly I am writing x is equal to this finish. Now what is the common factor here? 2. 2. So x is equal to minus 2. Then what will happen? Minus 2 plus 4 will be 2. So minus 2 minus 2. Minus 4 a and minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1 into a. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. A is there, b will be 0, c will be 0. Since plus 2 is there, na? Minus 2 plus 2 0, minus 2 plus 2 0. I am writing that is b into 0, c into 0. Remaining what? Minus into minus plus 4. So 2 is equal to 4a. Then 2 1 2 2 cancel. A is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute a, b, c. Put a, b, c values in equation number 1. Then the final answer will become, I am writing here only final answer. Here I am writing this is equal to a. What is a? A. What is a? 1 by 2 into x plus 2. Then what is b? 1 by 2 into x minus 2. What is c? Minus 1 by x plus 1. There is no c, there is no b, and there is no a after writing all these values. So a proper fraction can be written as, again proper fraction only, numerator degree 0, denominator 1. So the denominator degree is highest. So a proper fraction can be written as sum of 2 or more proper fractions is called partial fractions. So this is basic simple method to solve and very easy question this is. And we will discuss next one more question also. A, B, C. I substituted these here directly, or you can write here also, no problem. Okay, now next. Yes, see next one more question. X square minus 3 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1. నేను చెప్పానంటే మీకు denominator లో linear factors ఉండాలి. This is okay, linear factor we can write a by x plus 2. What about this x square plus 1? X square plus 1 we can't write into product of two linear factors, which is a quadratic factor, which is irreducible polynomial. మరి ఇలా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏంటి సార్? In previous question x square minus 4 is x square minus 2 square is x minus 2 into x plus 2. This is called reducible polynomial. We wrote this into two linear factors, product of two linear factors. But this is x square plus 1. We can't write x square plus 1 into two linear factors product. That is an irreducible polynomial. మరి ఇలా ఉంటే ఏంటి సార్ అంటే సింపుల్ గా ఏంటి అంటే if you have like this type of quadratic polynomial, just write instead of b by something bx plus c by x square plus 1. Meet the same to same. So now continuation, x square minus 3 is equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 2. Denominators will get cancelled. In previous question already we discussed. Now I said we have two methods. First method substitution method, second method comparison method. Substitution method will not possible for all questions. Comparison method we can solve with any question. With comparison method any question. But here by substitution method also we can find one of the values of ABC for maximum questions, but not possible for all ABC. So we will check by writing x equal to something, can we get A or B or C? So if you substitute x equal to minus 2, this total will be 0, then you will get directly A value. First we will do that only substitution method. First x equal to minus 2, then what will happen? Minus 2 whole square will be 4 minus 3 is equal to a into minus 2 whole square 4 plus 1 plus bx, sorry x means minus 2 na, plus c into 0. This will be 0. This total is 0. Now 4 minus 3 is 1 is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5a, then you will get a value is 1 by 5. So except a you can't get any other b and c by writing x value something by substitution method. Now go to comparison method. Comparison method. What is comparison method? This can be used for all questions. So first you take x square minus 3 and expand this. So write into a polynomial. Okay. So a into x square plus a into 1 a plus bx into x bx square bx plus 2, that is 2bx, c into x plus cx plus 2c. Now first write ax square terms, that is x square a and b, that is taking x square common a plus b. Now taking x common you will get what? 2b plus c. Now constants 2c plus a, LHS is x square minus 3. Now comparing both sides, the coefficient of x square and the constant is this. What about x coefficient? There is no x coefficient in LHS now, that's why we can take as 0. That's why you have to write here comparing coefficient of x square, x and constants. Now x square coefficient a plus b, LHS is 1, and x coefficient 2b plus c and LHS no 0, and constant 2c plus a is equal to minus 3. Already we have a na? Substitute here a equal to 1 by 5, then 1 minus 1 by 5, b equal to 4 by 5. We need only c now. B we have, substitute here you will get c, or a you have, substitute here you will get c. Whatever it is you can do your wish. I am writing here b value 2 into 4 by 5 plus c is equal to 0. 2 4 is 8 by 5, c is equal to minus 8 by 5, or you can substitute here a, you will get same c value minus 8 by 7, 8 by 5. Now substitute a, b, c in equation number 1. So 1 implies what you will get? X square minus 3 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1 is equal to a. What is a? 1 by 5 into x plus 2 and bx plus c. See b into, sorry, b means what? This one will be b into x, that is 4x by 5 bx plus c minus 8 by 5 by what is the denominator? X square plus 1. But the LCM for both you will get 5 only, na? So you can write directly what you know, this 5 as the denominator. You can write a 4x minus 8. So no need to write this. So proper fraction can be written as two proper fractions. Is called partial fraction. So this is second question. Now I will give you third question. See, third question, if you observe 3x cube minus 8x square plus 10 by x minus 1 whole power 4. See, it is a linear factor 4 times. Okay, linear factor 4 times you have. How we can solve this type of questions? Till power 2. Suppose if you have whole square, just write a by x minus 1 b by x minus 1 whole square, and same process apply, you will get the solution. After power 2, from 3, 4, 5, 6, for 3, 4, 5 also same you have to write a by x minus 1, b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x minus 1 whole cube. This is if you are 3 times, 4 times by whole power 4, 5 times by whole power 5. That is very lengthy, but there is a shortcut, or you can say method 2 to solve this type of questions having linear power, linear factor with more than 4. This is more than 2 power. So if you have more than 2 linear factors in product, there is a easy way, that is what you know. Generally to solve this we have what? A by x minus 1, b by x minus 1 whole square, c by x minus 1 whole cube, d by x minus 1 whole power 4, and we need to find a, b, c, d, substitute there, that is the procedure. So same LCM, expansion, cancel, substitution method not possible for all, only one. For x equal to 1 substitution method possible, you will get a or b or c or d. After that you have to apply comparison method, you have to take the coefficients of x power 4, x power 3, x power 2, x and constant comparison, then you will get the values. But one more easy way, that is what you know, if you have more than power 2, just simply put x minus 1 is equal to y or t or lambda something. Then x is equal to y plus 1. Put in 1. 3x square y plus 1 whole cube, sorry square na cube, and minus 8 into x square y plus 1 whole square plus 10 by x minus 1 whole power 4 will be y power 4, since x minus 1 is y. Now a plus b whole cube, that is a cube, y cube, b cube, 1 cube plus 3a square b, 3y square into 1 plus 3ab square, 3y into 1 square is 1 only, minus 8 into a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square, y square plus 1 plus 2 into y, 2y plus 10 by y power 4. Again multiply with 3. 3y square plus 3y is 3 plus 3 3 is 9y square, 3 3 is 9y, 8y square, e minus 8 minus 8 is 16y plus 10 by y power 4. Now first write, is there any y cube term? This is y cube, sorry. So 3y cube and y square term, 9y square, 8y square, only 1y square, that is plain plus 1y square, and 9y, 16y, 69, that is 69 means 1 plus 6 minus 7y, and 10 plus 8 plus 2 and 3, that is plus 5 by y power 4. Now write separately y power 4 for each term of numerator. 3y cube by y power 4 plus y square by y power 4 minus 7y by y power 4 plus 5 by y power 4, and here one time y cancel, more 3 times there, and 2 times cancel, more 2 times there, 3 times cancel, more 1 time there. Then the remaining part what? 3 by y plus 1 by y square is cancelled already, minus 7 by y cube plus 5 by y power 4. What is y? 3 by y equal to x minus 1. So x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 1 whole square minus 7 by x minus 1 whole cube plus 5 by x minus 1 whole power 4, where a is 3 and b is 1 and c is minus 7 and d is 5, but we don't need a, b, c, d. Our target we have to convert into parts of fractions, finished. So this is also one of the method. Or you can go with this method, it will take more time, that is time waste process. If you have more than 2 power, this is the better way. Okay, this is question number 3. If you have repeated linear factor, this is repeated linear factor. Here only one linear, here not repeated linear factor, x minus 2, x plus 2, x plus 1, 3 different linear factors. Here one linear factor, one quadratic factor. This is linear factor if repeated. If quadratic factor repeated, so that is different again. Okay, so we have this type of questions only. Now I will give you question number 4 and 5, which is improper fraction. Okay, so here next, fourth, fifth, both are non-homogeneous, sorry, improper fractions. In improper, this is equal degree, this is more than a degree. Numerator degree high, denominator degree low. Here both degrees are equal. So first I will explain this, then I will explain this. So first come to this question, x cube by x minus a, x minus b, x minus c, whatever it is, x minus 2, x minus 3, x plus 1, whatever it is. The powers or the degrees of numerator and denominator are equal, then we will go with this method. So what is the method? Simply whatever it is, you have the question, first you have to write this form, then write numerator polynomial highest degrees x cube. If you have like plus 2x square plus 5, whatever it is, the highest for x cube only, na? So the coefficient of the numerator highest degree term here, what the coefficient 1, if you there is 2 2, there is 3 3, minus 1, whatever it is, first you have to write numerator highest degree term coefficient by denominator highest degree term coefficient. How will get denominator highest degree? First you have to multiply x into x, x square, x into x, x cube, x square into x cube. Again x cube, the coefficient 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1 only. So you are getting 1 only finally. That is 1. Suppose if you are 2 here, 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 1, 2, you will get 2 denominator. Okay. Whatever it is, you have to write the highest power term coefficient of denominator of numerator. Here luckily we have, there is no any term, that's why you will get 1. After this, same process. Basic process. First process. What is that? A by first factor x minus a, b by second factor x minus b, c by third factor x minus c. And same LCM. But here when you are doing LCM, be careful. X cube by x minus a into x minus b into x minus c is equal to, denominator will be luckily here x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. But if you have here some different value 2 3 4, that value also will come here, then these two will not get cancelled, the 2 will be extra. Then what we have to do, take this to this side, finish, again both will get cancelled. Take the value of here, whatever it is here, take this side, then these denominators will get both cancelled. That type of question also we have one question. Yeah, luckily we have one, that's why you will get 1 into something, that only you will get. Now we have 1 into, there is no denominator, you will get x minus a into x minus b into x minus c plus a into, except this, these two will get x minus b into x minus c plus b into x minus a into x minus c plus c into x minus a into x minus b. Now these two will get cancelled. What is the left part? I am writing x cube is equal to x minus a into x minus b into x minus c plus a into x minus b into x minus c plus b into x minus a into x minus c plus c into x minus a into x minus b. Now two methods, one is substitution method, one is comparison method. Here substitution method is very easy to get the solution. Just write always x equal to a value, you will get the remaining value. Since you have in this all factors, if you write x equal to a, this will be 0, b, this will be 0, c, this will be 0. So all times this is getting vanished. Now come to this side. If you write x equal to a, you will get b, a value. X equal to b, b, you will get b value. X equal to c, you will get c value. Just write one value, remaining two you can write similarly, right? Because same you will get. So I am writing first x equal to a, then what will happen? A cube is equal to, this is completely 0, plus a into, you are writing a na, a minus b, a minus c, plus b into a minus a 0, plus c into a minus a 0. Then what is the left part? A cube is equal to a into a minus b into a minus c. We need to find capital A, na? So capital A is equal to a cube by a minus b into a minus c. The same way we need to find what? A, b, c values also. Now put x equal to small b. Then b cube, this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0. There is no b, you will get this b minus a, b minus c. So we can write directly by this b cube by b minus b minus. What is here? b minus a, b minus c. b minus a, b minus c. And x is equal to c, that is plus. Capital C is equal to c cube by c. c minus a, c minus b. c minus a, c minus b. Put all the values a, b, c values in equation number 1. What is 1? This is 1. Then what you will get? So this is equal to 1 plus a. What is a? This only a. A cube by a minus b into a minus c into x minus a, this x minus a, plus b cube by b minus c into b minus a into x minus b, plus c cube by c minus a into c minus b into x minus c is the answer. So this is sorry, improper fraction equal degree. Always indefinite integration or differential equation vastund. So this is improper fraction equal degree. Now we will go to improper fraction with unequal degree, that is numerator degree high, denominator degree is low. I will give after this, just a minute. I will, yeah, continuation. Improper fraction low, numerator degree high, denominator degree low. The degree of numerator greater than the degree of denominator, then this is the method. So that is, we have to use division rule. I will explain you first of all what is the division rule. If you have a function like division f of x by g of x, it can be written as q of x plus r of x by g of x. Q means quotient, r means remainder, g means this only g of x denominator, f means already numerator we have. First you have to apply this method for this. Why? Because there is no other method to solve this type of improper fractions with numerator degree greater than the denominator degree. So whatever it is I said, first you have to write the denominator into linear factors if possible, otherwise quadratic factor na. So we have to write compulsory that to get the final solution. First of all, this is f of x, this is g of x, we have to convert into that form by division rule. I am taking f of x, that is x cube, g of x, that is x square plus x minus 2a. To get x cube, there is x square, we need more x square into x cube, x into x plus x square minus 2 into x minus 2x. ఎంత ఏం చేస్తారంటే మనకి x cube కావాలి కదా, x square into x cube కథం అయిపోయింది, దట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్. అన్నిటితో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. So now subtraction, minus minus plus these two will get cancelled, minus x square plus 2x is left. More x square there, na, same equal degree. Till less than degree we have to continue. X square, to get minus x square we need minus 1. X square into minus 1 minus x square, and x into minus 1 minus x, and minus 2 into minus 1 minus into minus plus 2. Again subtraction, change the signs, plus plus minus x square cancel, remaining 2x plus x, which is 3x minus 2. This is clearly remainder, this is quotient, this is f, this is g. Then this fraction can be written as, first what, quotient of x. Quotient of x is what, x minus 1. And then what, formula r of x. What is r of x? 3x minus 2 by g of x. What is g of x? X square plus x minus 2. Let equation number 1. Again, if you observe, this is not a fraction, this is not a fraction, we no need to write into partial fractions. Always we write what? A proper fraction can be written into sum of two or more proper fractions is partial fractions. Here this is clearly fraction, which is a proper fraction. We have to solve this, we have to write into partial fractions this part. So that's why consider that part. What is that? 3x minus 2 by x square plus x minus 2. Now you have to convert the denominator into product of two linear factors. Since this is clearly reducible polynomial, we can write into product of two linear factors. Actually in the textbook there is no like this quadratic equation. There you have a quadratic factors product. I only expand like quadratic factor. నేనే రాసా, నేనే మళ్ళీ కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తున్నా, ఎందుకంటే ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ కూడా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసినట్టుగా ఉంటుంది. Which is 3x minus 2 by, we can write this as x minus 1 into x plus 2. Wait, minus x plus 2, which is, yeah, correct. X minus 1 into x plus 2. Apply. X into x square. X into 2x, 1 into x minus x, 2x minus x will be plus x. Minus into plus minus 2 1 2. We can write this is nothing but what? By using basic method a by x minus 1, b by x plus 2. Let equation number 2. This having non-repeated linear factors, we can write this only the process already we done in the first question, second question also. So now I am writing, continuing, a by x minus 1 and b by x plus 2 can be written as a into x plus 2 b into x minus 1 after applying LCM, and LHS is nothing but 3x minus 2. These denominators will be cancelled. Same like previous questions only. Okay, now any doubts? Now, two methods we can write, we can use. I'm using substitution method. If not possible, go with comparison. Put x equal to what? To get a or b, or to vanish a or b. If write 1, b will be 0, a value you will get. If write minus 2, a will be 0, b value you will get. So we are getting both values a and b in a comparison method. So put x is equal to minus 2. Then what? 3 into minus 2, minus 6 minus 2, which is equal to a into minus 2 plus 2, 0, plus b into minus 2 minus 1. Now this is 6 minus 2 minus 6, which will be minus 8, is equal to minus 2 minus 1 will be minus 3. Cancel, then you will get 3 b, then b is equal to 8 by 3. Now again put what? X is equal to get a value, make b where b coefficient will be 0. Further take x value is 1. Then 3 into 1, 3 minus 2, which is equal to a into 1 plus 2 plus b into 1 minus 1, 0. Then this is 1 is equal to 3a. Again a is equal to 1 by 3. Now write a, b values in equation number 2. Then what you will get? 3x minus 2 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to a. What is a? 1 by 3 into x minus 1 plus b, 8 by 3 into x plus 2, equation number 3, and substitute this 3 in equation number 1. Therefore, you will get the final answer x cube by x square plus x minus 2 is equal to x minus 1, and this value, this only, that is equal to this one, that is plus 1 by 3 into x minus 1, 8 by 3 into x plus 2 is the final answer. Okay, and last one more question is there. If you observe, this is a proper fraction. First you have to write this into linear factors product, then apply the same formula. Till here the same process, till here same process. After this what we have to do, I will explain. Just copy this. Yeah, see this question. Idi kuda improper, not improper, not proper. This is proper, this is a proper fraction. But here he is asking a little bit different. Find the coefficient of x power n in the power series of expansion of this. After writing this proper fractions, partial fractions, then apply power series. Then you will get a series. In that series he is asking x power n coefficient. Before that I will write some series. So you have to, it is better to copy. We don't need those questions, that's why I will erase, or I will write here. Okay. 1 minus x whole power minus 1 series. 1 plus x whole power minus 1 series. Just a second. Yeah. 1 minus x whole power minus 1 is 1 plus x, x square by 2, x cube by 3 plus so on. If you have plus, simply alternate sign. 1 minus x plus x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 plus so on. If you have 1 minus x whole power minus 2, 1 plus, instead of x square, 2x, 3x square, just a minute, I will write 1 plus 2x plus, yeah, there is no denominator, 1 plus x square plus x cube so on. Same, opposite signs, alternate minus plus. Here 1 minus x whole power minus 2 is 1 plus 2x plus 3x square, 4x cube plus so on. Last will be n into x power n minus 1. And 1 plus x whole power minus 2, same but alternate sign. 1 minus 2x plus 3x square minus 4x cube plus so on minus 1 whole power n into x power n minus 1. That is the last term. So here, first you have to convert into partial fractions, then apply one of the four formulas. I am writing into first partial fractions, which can be written as x minus 4 by, first do factorization. Linear factors we require to write a by something, b by something, c by something if possible. Otherwise, this is quadratic polynomial, we know bx plus c by we can write. See, 1 6 is 6, 2 3 is 6, we can write easily. X square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6, which is equal to x minus 4. By taking x common, x minus 2 is one factor, and here also minus 3 common, x minus 3 is one more factor. X into x, x square, minus 2x minus 3x minus 5x, minus into minus plus 2, 3, just 6. So now we can write what? X minus 4 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 can be written as a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 3. Now same process, LCM. X minus 4 is equal to a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 2. In the question చెప్పినాక ఇంకా ఏం అవసరం లేదు, డైరెక్ట్ రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం. Denominators will get cancelled. Now substitution method, put x is equal to 3 to get cancelled a. Then what you will get? 3 minus 4 minus 1. This will be 0. I'm not writing a again since we need to solve more. Na? So plus this is 0. I'm not writing, plus b into x minus 2, which is minus 1 minus 2, which is minus 3b. We can write directly minus 3b, minus minus cancel, then b is equal to 1 by 3. Again I am explaining, see, x equal to what? 3. 3 minus 4 minus 1, and this is 0. 3 minus 2, which is plus 1, sorry, 3 minus 2 plus 1. 3 minus 2 will be, I am writing with black, that is plus 1 into b, and this is minus 1. B is equal to minus 1. Again put what? X is equal to this 0 already. Now we have to make this 0, then x equal to 2. Then 2 minus 4, which is minus 2, which is equal to, this will be 0, and x equal to 2. 2 minus 3, which is minus a. Then a is equal to 2. Now we have a and b value, substitute here, and then we have to go with that. One of that I will explain you how we can go. X minus 4 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to a. 2 by x minus 2, b minus 1 by x minus 3. Now see, in these two you have x minus something, but here 1 minus x, 1 minus something, 1 minus variable, here x minus variable. First you have to convert 1 minus variable form. For that what you have to do? 2 by taking minus 2 common here, minus 2 taking common, it will be 1, and plus minus common minus, there is only x but we are taking 2 common, it will be x by 2. If you multiply minus 2 anja minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 cancel, x is there. Next minus 1 by taking minus 3 common, this is 1 minus x by 3. Okay, so why we are writing, sir? We need 1 minus variable form. 1 minus variable form. We have 1 minus variable form only series. Now we have 2 cancel, which is equal to minus 1. The numerator is minus 1. This part I am taking numerator. Minus 1 into 1 minus x by 2 whole power. This is power plus 1. Taking numerator will be minus 1. Listen carefully. Next here, minus into minus plus 1 by 3. 3 is the denominator. I am taking this also numerator. It will be 1 minus x by 3 whole power minus 1. So we have both are in the form of first one. 1 minus x whole power minus 1. 1 minus x whole power minus 1. The expansion also I wrote there. Just apply the same expansion. Minus 1 into. First we have 1. Then x square, x cube, like that. So 1. Then x means here x by 2 is x plus, na? Plus x by 2, then x square, x by 2 whole square, plus so on, plus x by 2 whole power n. First part finished. From here onwards,
minus x by 2 కాదు.
no, minus x by 2 కాదు. ఎందుకంటే 1 minus same na? In place of x what we have? In place of x ఉందా, x by 2 ఉందా? x by 2 ఉంది. In place of x ఏం రావాలి? x by 2 రావాలి. Suppose 1 plus x by 2 ఉందనుకో, 1 minus half minus x by 2 రాసేసి, this is in place of x కాబట్టి అప్పుడు అది సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం. అర్థమైందా? జస్ట్ yeah. So plus 1 by 3 into same formula, 1 minus x whole power minus 1. First 1 plus x ante x by 3, x square, x by 3 whole square, plus so on, plus x by 3 whole power n. ఇవి సిరీస్. ఇప్పుడు here is asking x power n coefficient. Suppose x power 2 coefficient he can ask, 3 coefficient, 5 coefficient, 7 coefficient, 9 coefficient, whatever it is he can ask. Same process still here first you have to apply. Then which coefficient is asking? X power n. Check where is x power n. Here x power n. Here also x power n. That coefficient you have to write, that is the answer. For example, This is not related to this question. Extra x power 3 coefficient, if we ask, what will happen? X power 3 I am writing here. Where you have x power 3, there is no x power 3, I didn't write actually. I have to write x by 3, x by 2 whole cube, that is x power 3 coefficient. One more step I will, let's see. Minus 1 into 1 plus x by 2 plus x square by 4 plus x cube by 8 plus so on plus x power n by 2 power n plus 1 by 3 into 1 plus x by 3 plus x square by 9 plus x cube by 3 3 is 9 3 is 27 plus so on plus x power n by 3 power n. This is complete expansion. Now which coefficient we required? X power 3 coefficient. What is x power 3 coefficient? 1 by 8. Coefficient only is asking, not x cube. X cube coefficient is 1 by 8. Here what?
1 by 20.
1 by 27. X power 3 coefficient is equal to, first what we have, multiple minus 1 into x power 3 coefficient 1 by 8 in middle plus 1 by 3 into x power 3 coefficient 1 by 27. What you will get simplified, that is the final answer. He is not asking x power 3 coefficient. He is asking which coefficient? X power n coefficient. Now I am writing the solution. This is extra for all different questions. Now continuation is asking x power n coefficient. Na? Therefore x power n coefficient I am writing is x power n coefficient 1 by 2 power n, that is minus 1 into 1 by 2 power n and plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 power n. This is the actual answer, but we have to do some simplification. Minus 1 into plus 1, that is minus 1 by 2 power n, minus 1 by 2 power n. Okay, and plus into plus, plus only plus 1 by 3 into 3 power n, 3 into 3 power n. It can be written as minus 1 by 2 power n plus 1 by 3 power 1, 3 power n, 3 power n plus 1. I am writing first positive term 3 power n plus 1, then negative term minus 1 by 2 power n. This is the solution for this question. This is the solution for this question, since he is asking x power n coefficient. I think you have no doubts in this partial fractions. If any doubt, you can send message. You can send message in comment section. I will explain you. Listen first carefully, one by one question, where I give formulas, where I give methods, where I wrote side formulas also you have to copy. Then practice the remaining sums. This methods only you have. There is no other different methods in partial fractions. And partial fractions is very useful for indefinite integration and also differential equations. Already we explained in previous videos in differential equations and indefinite integration. Okay, thank you. Share to maximum if any doubts and message. Thank you.